Hello, I am Mr. Holikati SS from Gandhinath RMG College of B Pharmacy, Solapur. Today we'll see the third chapter, that is sulfonamides or sulfur drugs. It is part second. Last lecture we saw the new chapter, that is sulfonamides. In that we saw the definition of sulfonamides or sulfur drugs. Next we saw the mechanism of action. Next we saw the nomenclature, and also we saw the how microorganism will be grown and how can we avoid or kill the microorganism by using the sulfonamide drugs. This is the nomenclature of this sulfonamide drugs. Okay, today we will see the classification of sulfonamide drugs. This is also very important. तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये विचारतात define and classify sulfonamide drugs. This is the classification. That first one is chemical classification, that is first one is N1 substituted sulfonamides. N1 म्हणजे काय, जे काय आपण स्ट्रक्चर बघितलं याच्यामधलं जे काही N1 आहे अमाइन, ह्याला जे कुठले कुठले ड्रग आपण जे कुठले कुठले कंपाऊंड आपण अटॅच केलं तर आपण म्हणतो N1 substituted compounds or N1 substituted sulfonamides. The examples are sulfacetamide, sulfaguanidine, sulfadiazine, sulfathiazole, etc. These are the N1 substituted sulfonamides. Next, second one is N1 and N4 substituted. The example is succinyl sulfathiazole. Next one is halal sulfathiazole. These are the two examples of N1 and N4 substituted. Next one is N4 substituted. The examples is sulfasalazine and also promethazine. So this is the promethazine or promethazine. These are the two examples of N4 substituted drugs. Next one is the second one is, that is classification depending upon therapeutical use. The first one is sulfonamide used in the eye infection. The examples are sulfacetamide, sodium. Next one is sulfonamide used in the intestinal infection. Sulfaguanidine, halal sulfathiazole, succinyl sulfathiazole, etc. These are the used in the intestinal infection. Next one is sulfonamide used in systemic infection. The example is sulfadiazine. Next one is long acting sulfonamide. The examples are sulfadimethoxine. Next one is sulfamethoxypyridiazine. These are the two examples of long acting sulfonamide. The last one is sulfonamide used in urinary tract infection. The example is sulfamethoxazole, trimethoprim, and the combination of this drug is called as cotrimoxazole. The last example is very important, that is sulfonamides used in urinary tract infection, that is sulfamethoxazole and trimethoprim. These are the separate drugs. When we are combine these two drugs, this forms the cotrimoxazole. हे जे दोन ड्रग आहेत त्या दोन्हीचं जर करता आपण कॉम्बिनेशन घेतलं, this combination is called as cotrimoxazole. This is cotrimoxazole. It is very important drug. These are the classifications of the sulfa drugs. These are the classifications of sulfur drugs. Next we will see the first drug in this chapter, that is sulfacetamide, sodium, or also it is called as sulfacetamide. And this is the structure of sulfacetamide. And this is the chemical name of sulfacetamide. This is N1 acetyl para amino benzene sulfonamide. तर N1 म्हणजे कुठला असेल, हे जे अमाइन असेल ह्याला आपण N1 अमाइन म्हणतो, कारण हे आपल्याला फर्स्ट कार्बनला इथं अटॅच झाला. ह्याला आपण नंबर करतो 1 2 3 4 5 6. त्याच्याला आपलं बेन्झिनचं नंबरिंग. त्याच्यामधलं हे 1, ह्यासाठी आपण ह्याला म्हणतो N1. तर ह्या N1ला आपण असेटाइल ग्रुप अटॅच केला. दिस इज दी असेटाइल ग्रुप. आणि हे जे बेन्झिन आहे त्याला आपण पॅरा अमायनो बेन्झिन सल्फोनामाइड. हे पॅरा अमायनो, हे बेन्झिन आणि हे सल्फोनामाइड SO2NH, दॅट इज दी सल्फोनामाइड. हे कंप्लीट ग्रुपला आपण म्हणतो पॅरा अमायनो बेन्झिन सल्फोनामाइड. दिस इज दी केमिकल नेम ऑफ दिस सल्फासिटामाइड. हे जे स्ट्रक्चर आहे याला आपण म्हणतो सल्फासिटामाइड. दिस इज N1. हे N1 ह्याला आपण असिटाइल ग्रुप अटॅच केला आहे. दिस इज दी असिटाइल. दिस इज दी पॅरा अमायनो बेन्झिन सल्फोनामाइड. दिस इज कॉल्ड सल्फासिटामाइड. आता जर ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण हे हायड्रोजन आपण रिप्लेस करून तो आपण सोडियम अटॅच केलं तर त्याला आपण म्हणतो सल्फासिटामाइड सोडियम. याला आपण म्हणतो सल्फासिटामाइड सोडियम. फक्त आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करून आपण सोडियम अटॅच केलं. सो नॉमेनक्लेचर इन N1 असिटाइल सल्फानिलामाइड सोडियम. हे जे कंप्लीट ग्रुप आहे याला आपण सल्फानिलामाइड पण म्हणू शकतो. तर बघा N1 हे N1 ह्याला आपण असिटाइल ग्रुप अटॅच केला आहे. आणि हे जे कंप्लीट ग्रुप आहे नायट्रोजनपासून नायट्रोजन त्याला आपण म्हणतो सल्फानिलामाइड. म्हणजे आपण सोडियम त्याला अटॅच केला. इट इज दी N1 असिटाइल सल्फानिलामाइड सोडियम. एक्झामला तुम्हाला सल्फासिटामाइड सोडियम आहे तर सल्फासिटामाइड असं विचारतील. त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला दोन्ही स्ट्रक्चर काढावं लागेल. वन हायड्रोजन ऑफ द एसिटिक सल्फोनामाइड ग्रुप इज रिप्लेस्ड बाय सोडियम टू गिव्ह द सल्फासिटामाइड सोडियम. तर ऑलरेडी सांगितलं त्याच्यामध्ये हायड्रोजन रिप्लेस करून आपण सोडियम अटॅच केलं. नेक्स्ट इज द फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज. फर्स्ट वन इज नेचर क्रिस्टलाइन और माइक्रोक्रिस्टलाइन पाउडर. कलर white or yellowish white. Odor is odorless. Taste is bitter. Effect of light is darkens slowly. Next is solubility, that is freely soluble in water, sparingly soluble in alcohol, and practically insoluble in benzene and ether. These are the some physical properties. Next one is the chemical properties. That first one is diazotization reaction. In that we have taken the drug that is sulfositamide plus HCl plus HNO3 plus butanol. In presence of ice is it used the orange, red, azure dye. Next one is the sulfositamide plus concentrated H2SO4 plus ethanol. It gives the fruity smell. This is third one is the sulfositamide plus NaOH plus 1% copper sulfate. It gives the blue PPT. These are the some identification test of the sulfositamide. Next one is the storage and stability. Storing well closed container protected from light. Next one is very important, that is uses. It is used as an antibacterial in ophthalmic infection and injury to eye, that is 10 to 20% ointment is used. It is mainly used in the ophthalmic infection or also injury to eye, that is the antibacterial action. That is the concentration is 10 to 20% in the form of ointment. It is also used to treat the urinary tract infection, that is the UTI. It is the urinary tract infection. These are the two uses of this drug. The next one is the official preparations. Sulfositamide sodium IP, also sulfositamide sodium ophthalmic ointment IP. These are the two official preparations. Next one is the brand name. The first one is Locula, Icula and Nebasulf. These are the three brand names. This is the first drug, that is sulfositamide. Next one is the sulfaguanidine. This will be seen next lecture, that is sulfaguanidine. Today we saw the classification. First one is chemical classification. In that N1 substituted, N1 and N4 substituted, and N4 substituted. Next one is the classification depending upon the therapeutic use. It is used in eye infection and intestinal infection and systemic infection, and also long-acting sulfonamides, and also used in the urinary tract infection. Next we saw the first drug, that is sulfacetamide sodium, or it is also called as sulfacetamide. This is the structure of sulfacetamide, and this is the structure of sulfacetamide sodium. Okay, thank you.